This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 blind mice on piano. Let's begin by setting up your right hand. Place your right thumb on middle C, which is the white key just to the left of the 2 black keys. Your index finger should then rest on D and your middle finger on E. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed and your fingers gently curved. This comfortable hand position is crucial for smooth playing. Now let's tackle the first phrase of the song. You'll play E, D, C, and then repeat that sequence, E, D, C. Use your middle finger for E, your index finger for D, and your thumb for C. Each note gets 1 beat, so count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as you play. This 6-note pattern is the very recognizable opening of the tune. Moving on to the second phrase, which is See How They Run. For this part, shift your middle finger to G, then play F with your index finger and E with your thumb. You'll play this G, F, E sequence 2 times in a row. Just like before, ensure each note receives 1 beat to keep the rhythm consistent. This section adds a lovely contrast to the opening melody. Now let's put both phrases together to play the entire song. Start with the 3 blind mice part, then immediately follow with See How They Run. Begin practicing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy and finger placement. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 5 to 10 minutes daily, will help you master this classic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.